Quebec will conduct a test of the emergency alert system on Wednesday at 1:55 p.m. Cell phones, TVs, and radios will broadcast a loud tone followed by a message indicating it is a test. The test, held in May and November, simulates alerts for life-threatening weather events, public safety emergencies, and amber alerts. All provinces and territories are participating in the test on their own schedule. Canada's National Public Alerting System disseminates messages through wireless networks, television and radio stations, cable, satellite, and online channels. The purpose of the test is to ensure that the alert system is functioning properly in case of an emergency.